Hello boys and girls, and welcome to your math lesson. Today we will continue learning about measurements. So here's what we're going to learn today. You're going to learn what measurement means, and you're going to learn how to sort using the length or height of an object, okay? Measuring is very important because it helps us know how tall or short an object is, okay? So let me go over this paper right here. So measurement means that you're finding the size of something. If it's small, if it's long, if it's short or tall, little, okay? And there's two different ways that we're going to be talking about when we measure. We can measure by length. That only means that you can measure how long an object is using from one end to the other end, okay? Or you can measure by height. And height means how tall an object is standing up. So here we're measuring the girl from her feet all the way to her head. That's how we're measuring her. All right, and then we can see how tall it is. How tall she is actually. All right. So today we're going to be looking at different objects, and we're either going to look at its length or its height to decide if the object is short or tall. And then we're going to sort them between short and tall, okay? We're not measuring them yet with things or with rulers. We'll do that later in the year. We're going to learn how to measure with cubes. But right now, I just want you to look at an object's length or height to decide if it's short or if it's tall. Okay, so here we have two objects. They're two erasers. This is an eraser. This looks like a pencil, but it's an eraser actually. And we are going to look at them. We're going to look at their height. So if they're standing up, they have to be like in the same, like start at the same place. And so if we're measuring or we're looking at its height from the bottom to the top, we can see that this one is taller and this one is shorter. Okay, we're measuring by its height. If we did it by its length on its side, make sure they start at the same place. We can once again see that even by their length, this is still taller and this is still shorter. So either way, from length or height, this one's going to be taller and this is going to be shorter. Okay? So here I have, let me see. So here we have like a pen or a marker and another marker. I couldn't use the other pen, so it was too long and you couldn't see it. But here's one marker or pen, and here's a marker, and we're going to put them together. And since they're standing up, we're looking at its height, the height of it, okay? And from here, we can tell that this one is taller and this one is shorter. Good job. Okay, and here we have two clothespins, right? And we're looking at its height from like the bottom, or standing up from the bottom to the top. We're looking at it and we can tell right away that this one's going to be taller and this is going to be shorter. Okay, so now we're going to do an activity that's going to be similar to your homework today. We're going to sort the items that I showed you into either going to short or going to tall. Okay? Okay, so I set the objects down here in the bottom. Your homework, you're going to have little pictures and you'll be able to move them to either short, there's a tiger, the short tiger, or tall with the giraffe, the tall giraffe, okay? So we're going to look at this eraser and we're kind of comparing it to each other right now. So which one's short and which one's tall? Which one's short? This one? No, this one's the short one, right? So we're going to put the short one right there. And this one is taller, so we're going to put the taller one right here. And these two, we already compared them earlier, right? We said that this one's shorter, so we'll put it on the shorter side. And this one was taller, so we'll put it on the tall side. And then we looked at the clothespins and we decided that this one is taller, and this one is shorter or shortest. So we'll put it over here. Okay? That's how you're going to do your homework. Try to do it by yourself. And then when you're done, show it to your mom and ask her, is this correct? And then she'll let you know if everything's correct, or she can also help you if you did something that was not the right way. Okay? Okay, guys, so let's just review quickly what we learned today. We talked about measurement. We learned that measurement means when you're finding the size of something. And we know that that's important because we want to know if something's long or short or big or small. We talked about length and height. We talked about that length is how long an object is from end to end. And we talked about how height is when you measure an object to see how tall it is standing up. From like the bottom to the top. Right now we didn't really measure, but we looked at objects. We looked at their length or we looked at their height. And we decided if it was a short object or a tall object, okay? And then we sorted them. We sorted the short objects with the short objects and the tall objects with the tall objects. All right? So that is what we learned today. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you like your homework. And I'll see you tomorrow for another lesson. Bye-bye.